Welcome to the fourth video of SmartDriveNMR. I'm Björn Heitmann, the Bruker product manager of SmartDriveNMR. Let's get going with our fourth video. In this one, I would like to show you what we have started in the third one, which was about our first measurements with SmartDriveNMR. In this video, we're gonna inspect the results. Now, right after we kick off a SmartDrive measurement, our IcanNMR automation window looks like this. On top, you can see the just running job, and on the bottom part of the automation window, you see the progress of the measurement. So it's right at the start, so the sample is just loaded. So we see the tick at load. Now, once the SmartDrive run evolves, each experiment of the SmartDrive portfolio is carried out one by one. And with the portfolio we are using here, which is a standard portfolio, there is a proton carried out, then an HSQC, a 13C1D, and an HMBC. Here at this stage, we're just finished with that. Now, if one highlights the proton experiment with the left click of the mouse and then a right click on this line, one sees the following. And these are a bunch of options with which you can inspect the results, inspect the spectrum. And the first thing I would like to show you is the SmartDrive Run Report. One clicks this, the PDF opens, and here it's a two-page PDF. And on the left side, you can see the start of the run report. The upper part is some general information. Then one can see the portfolio and their settings. And I would like to highlight here the required signal to noise, which is labeled Zeno in the table. Following this are all the experiments that are carried out in the order in which they were measured. So first the CMC proton, the HSQC, 13C, and HMBC. And here you can see a quality measure of the measurements. So here you can see also the achieved signal to noise. And if you compare it to the values in the table, all experiments have higher reached signal to noise than the required one. Of course, you can also inspect the spectra directly. This you can do either with topspin or with CMC assist. Here the first option is with CMC assist. And in the assist, all the measured experiments are grouped in a so-called project here on the left-hand side. And one can switch between all the members of the project within CMC assist. And of course, you can also inspect the results in topspin as shown here. This is already the end of the fourth video. In the last video, which is coming up next, I will go into more details about how to influence the queue of experiments that SmartDrive is performing. So for this, we need to go into details about the two different modes, or the three different modes that SmartDrive is using, and also go into more detail about these portfolios. Thanks a lot for listening.